Wow, look at how beautiful that is.
It's really there at the top.
Wow, look at that.
Make it look more.
Wow, look at this pizza. Salsiccia pizza, look at that. Delicious. Wow, look at this pizza. Delicious. Wow, look at that Rolls Royce. That is beautiful. Ooh, this E90 sounds good. Look at this Corvette. It's a Z06 too, even better. But look at this Bentley. Look at this Corvette. I see this one every day. Now I'm finally get a good shot of it. Look at this Corvette. There it goes. Look at that. What do you got? There goes the Lamborghini Huracan. Lamborghini Huracan. Oh, yellow female Huracan, gold rims. And yellow brake calipers for that. Oh, championship white Honda Type R. Oh, it's a manual too. It's on those gold rims. Here's a Camaro, racing yellow. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at this MG Midget G-Wagon. LC500, C7 Corvette. Wow, look at that. It's an old RS4. BMW i8. Wait. Oh, look at the R8. Wow. There it goes. Wow, look at that. Lamborghini Huracan. Wow, that sounds good. Green GT3 RS. Oh, look at that. It's the rough spec Porsche 911. It's in green with yellow brakes and the rough rims. Look at that. It's the only one up here. Wow, look at that Lamborghini. Wow, look at that Huracan. There it goes. Chalk Porsche GT3. R8, Huracan, Chalk GT3. What a lineup of exotics. Ooh, gold Corvette. Look at this Audi R8. This one is straight pipe. This one's always here. Wow, look at this Lamborghini.
Some woman driving one.
Huracan. That is beautiful. Ooh, Chalk Porsche GT3. Look at the wing on that. Wow, look at this Bentley, and it's got like a dark red interior. Wow, look at the size of that. Look at the size of that. These towers over there. Wow, look at the wheels on this Rolls Royce. That is beautiful. Oh, look at the Porsche GT3. It's brown now. Wow.
It's much fun. As
It's a brand new Porsche GT3. There it goes. GT63S sedan. Wow, look at that Ford GT. That is so cool.